Hi guys, welcome to the first episode of hanging out with me in my kitchen space. I know it's been quite some time, roughly about 2 years of being inactive here, but I'm back, bigger and better, and we are going to start off this time by making over our kitchen. Allow me to take you through these two appliances that I bought, and we are just going to be doing a very quick unboxing and a mini review, and I'll do a full detailed review once I try out these appliances and I'll let you in. With me here I have my two appliances. On this side I have a Hisense microwave oven that is 25 liters in capacity, and here I have a Hisense air fryer that is 8 liters in capacity. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start off by unboxing this air fryer, and as you can see, it's Hisense by brand, and as I mentioned, it's 8 liters in capacity, and I bought this at a shop in Garden City Mall. It was discounted. The original price was about 17,000 if I'm not wrong, but I bought this for 13,000. Let's unbox and see what's inside. Over here we have the manual. It comes with an e-warrant. That means the warrant is sent direct to your email, so there is no physical warranty for this. Oh yeah, we do have the physical warrant, so that's pretty much it. I guess there's nothing more. And here comes the appliance itself. Let's unwrap it. So this is how it looks like. It looks amazing, and that's why I chose it. The body is plastic, but inside it's metal. This is plastic. This is plastic. Plastic. This is plastic. But this is how it looks like. It has an LED display over here, and also this is glass, so you can see whatever is going on. And as I mentioned, this is a mini review, so I'm going to be telling you basically what I was told at the shop. This is an LED panel. It's a digital one, so it's touch screen over here. And here we have a glass panel that can be used to see whatever is cooking inside. Over here it's been written 8 liters in capacity. It has the dual heating and even crisping. I'm going to be coming into this in a few. This is the size of the tray, and when I say it's 8 liters in capacity, this is what I mean. If you fill water here, it's going to take about 8 liters or so, thereabout. This is how they measure the size of the air fryer. It is measured in liters, and this is 8 liters. When we come to the dual heating technique, this is what they mean. This is metal over here, and as you can see, we have some coils over here. We also have the coils above here, and we also have a fan. So this and this makes it dual heating. For the other model that was analog, it has knobs over here, and here hapa chini hakuna kitu, so it basically comes from the top part. But this one, you can see it has the top and the bottom coils. That's why I chose this, because of this dual heating, and also this glass panel. Over here we have, this is just a paper, and this is the tray to put here, so that if at all you're cooking something that is dripping juices, you can place it over here, then the juices can drip inside this tray. From this angle, you can also see the glass panel that I've talked to you about. And so let's put it on, then we can see what's going on. I've noticed that the cord is quite short. It's only this length. This is about half a meter or so, about 50 centimeters. This is quite short, but the good thing, it comes fused. When there is an overcurrent, this will blow, this won't blow. I'm going to be using my extension over here. Let's put it on. Wow, wow, wow. And as you can see, this is a paper, but whatever is inside here is what is on the paper. We are going to turn this on. Oh yeah, it's on. And as you can hear, it has a fan that is also blowing this paper, if you can notice. Oh, nice. Once you remove the paper, whatever is inside here is exactly the same. Let me bring you closer. These are the different functions that we have. This is the temperature. This side is for the timer. And this side is for the temperature. This side is for increasing and decreasing. Here we have the functions for fries, chicken, steak, vegetables, grill, and so on. And here we have the light. As you can see, the light is on inside here. I don't know if it's visible. I'm going to be removing this paper sometime, but as you can see, it's on. Let me switch it off. Yeah, it's off. It's on, off. I'm going to be doing an in-depth review of this once I get to know the way around it. And also something that I haven't shown you is it has a fan here for doing the magic that it's supposed to be doing. And that's it for this appliance. Let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the second appliance, and here we have our Hisense microwave. And as I've also mentioned, this is also measured in liters and the capacity is 25 liters. This is how it comes packaged. And by the way, I've not been paid to do this. This is just my unboxing videos, and I'm going to be doing the reviews sometime later on. Let's quickly unbox this. There's nothing else in the box. Over here we have the manual, and we also have these two manuals, and this one also comes with an e-warrant. So the warrant for this I was also sent to my email, and this was also discounted. It was initially going for 19,000, but I bought it for 15,000. We have this. We also have this glass, and we also have this. This is just my quick review. I think this goes in here. Let's find the sweet spot. Oh yeah, it's actually supposed to go in there. Then we have this that comes in handy while warming your food. This helps it in turning. As you can see, it has some wheels. This goes in there. Then we also have this that's supposed to go in there. Let me take you through the functions for this microwave. And it's a microwave oven, and I'm going to be mentioning what it's called so in a few. So as you can see, it has a mirror finish. Then here we have the different functions. We have the cooking, we have the defrost, we have the clock, we have the etc. And here we also had this. As I mentioned, this is a microwave oven, so you can also use this in place of an oven, but not really, but somehow you can. And this is how. This is used for the grill function. Let's say you want to grill some chicken or whatever you want to grill. You'll just place this inside here. Then you place your chicken or your meat or whatever you want to grill in here. Then it has some coils over here. I'm going to show you that in a few. And this coil resembles the exact coil that I've shown you in the air fryer. It also resembles the exact coil that you find in a normal oven. That's why it's called a microwave oven, because you can use it to grill and you can also use it to warm your food. I don't think it has any other more functions except warming your food and grilling whatever you have. It has a 900 watt power, and I'm going to be doing an in-depth review of this since this is a model that I haven't used before and I don't want to lie. We are going to test this by warming some water. Over here we have its cord, and this one is quite long. This is about 1 meter long. I also like this blue color, and something else I should mention that these are the function. It says that it can prepare some popcorns, potatoes, pizza, vegetables, beverage, meat. We are also going to be testing this with time. Here I have my glass of cold water, and let's see. So our water is ready. Actually hot, not very hot, but hot. As you can see, I can't keep my fingers in here for so long. Also, it has a lamp over here, and as I mentioned, it rotates. I think that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I'm going to be doing an in-depth review later on. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I also hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Also, tell your friends to tell your friends that I'm back, and we're going to be having at least 2 episodes each and every week. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.